जय श्री राधे। प्रोग्रेसिव शॉर्टहैंड मार्च 2021 एक्सरसाइज 13 डिक्टेशन 80 words per minute start. You must arrange the labor power to be utilized in developing irrigation and other things or some rural industries so that they can employ labor. Full stop. Then only the agricultural laborer taking loan from the bank can help his family, and the bank will be reply helpful. Full stop. Without this broad outlook in our country, the objective of rural bank to help these poor people will not be fulfilled. Full stop. I want that the minister should have some such outlook so that it can really help the rural people. Full stop. For this, a radical land reform is required in the rural areas. Full stop. The Agricultural Tax Inquiry Commissioner report or Ray Committee report has already mentioned that 10% of the families are controlling two-thirds of the rural produce. Full stop. If that is the case, if you are going to help those 90% rural families who are only getting only one-third of the rural produce, then that system must be changed. And for that, a radical reform is required. Full stop. You have better seeds and fertilizers and irrigation. Full stop. Scientists are developing various methods of having sufficient produce from a limited area of land. Full stop. There is the rotation of crops, etc. Full stop. You can fully utilize the scientific achievements for the poor people to develop new village industries. Full stop. And then there are families who are holding and controlling vast amount of land without being able to utilize it, who become money lenders and great profits. Full stop. These must be removed from the village. Full stop. Then only your rural banks will be helpful. Full stop. Otherwise, these rural banks would be the dens of the money lenders. Full stop. If you do not proceed in that way, it will work as a shelter for the money lenders. Full stop. They will take money in the name of agricultural workers and poor peasants and utilize it themselves. Full stop. If a government officer goes there, well, so many laborers are tilling the land and they will make it appear before the officer that the agricultural laborers are utilizing it. Full stop. But really speaking, they are nominal. Full stop. Para. The same things in cooperative also. Full stop. Cooperative loans are taken by rich farmers and they utilize it in the villages in the name of the poor people. Full stop. So, if you really want to help the poor and free them from the clutches of the money lenders, the government should have a radical change in the system of village economy in India. Full stop.